In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Stripe, providing you with a complete tutorial for 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or part of a team working on online payments, knowing how to create a payment link in Stripe can be an invaluable skill. So let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. To begin, the first step is to navigate to the Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Stripe account. It's always a good idea to check if you're in the test mode if you're experimenting, so you can follow along without any financial risk. Once you're on the home page of your Stripe dashboard, you'll want to find and click on the section labeled Payments. This area is crucial as it provides you with an overview of all transactions and payment-related features. Next, as you're on the Payments page, look for Payment Links and click on it. This is the part of the dashboard where you'll create links that customers can use to pay you directly. Upon entering the Payment Links page, you'll notice a button labeled New or Create New Link. Go ahead and click on it to start creating your payment link. At this point, you need to decide on the type of payment you wish to set up. Stripe provides options that cater to different needs, whether it's a one-time payment for a product or a subscription service. This selection will dictate how your payment link will behave, so choose the one that aligns with your business model. Once you've made your choice regarding the payment type, click on Products or Subscriptions. This will bring up a list of items you usually sell or subscribe to. You'll then want to select the specific product you intend to issue the payment link for, making sure it matches your customer's needs. In the next step, take a moment to click on Advanced Options. Though not mandatory, exploring these settings can add extra functionalities and customizations to your payment process. Features like collecting customer data or setting quantity limits are found here and can significantly enhance your service. Having configured the advanced options, direct your attention to the Pay button. Clicking on this finalizes your selections and gets you a step closer to creating the actual payment link. Now you're almost done. Hit Create Link and Stripe will generate a payment link tailored to your previously defined settings. At this stage, it's essential to test the link in a secure environment. After ensuring its functionality, you can confidently share the link with customers via email, social media, or on your website. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a payment link in Stripe, ready to facilitate seamless transactions for your business.